If Discord is giving you error 2001, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can help get screen capture working again. This is a common issue, especially when Discord has trouble starting a stream or detecting your display properly. The good news is that in most cases, you can solve it in just a few minutes without reinstalling the app. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Discord fixes. Let's jump right into it. First, open Discord and go to User Settings. You can find this by clicking the gear icon near your username in the bottom left corner. Once the Settings menu opens, scroll down and click Voice and Video. This is where Discord keeps a lot of streaming and capture-related options, so we'll start here. Now scroll down until you find Stream Options. In this section, look for the setting called Use Our Most Advanced Technology to capture your screen. This feature can sometimes cause compatibility issues, depending on your system, graphics driver, or Discord version. If the option is currently turned on, switch it off. If it is already off, try turning it on instead. The goal is to toggle it and test which version works best for your setup. After changing this option, try starting Discord again and check whether error 2001 is gone. If the issue is still there, the next step is to disable hardware acceleration. Go back to the main User Settings menu, then click Advanced. Hardware acceleration can improve performance in some cases, but it can also cause conflicts with screen sharing, especially on certain devices. Find the hardware acceleration toggle and turn it off. Discord will usually ask you to relaunch the app, so let it restart completely. Once it opens again, try the same action that triggered the error and see if it now works properly. If you're still seeing the error, the third fix is to run Discord as an administrator. First, make sure Discord is fully closed. You can exit it from the system tray as well, just to be safe. Then go to your desktop, right-click the Discord shortcut, and choose Run as Administrator. This gives Discord the extra permissions it may need to access screen capture features correctly. If this solves the problem, you may want to keep using Discord this way when you need to stream or share your screen. In many cases, one of these three steps will fix Discord error 2001. Toggling the advanced screen capture technology, disabling hardware acceleration, or running the app as administrator. If the first fix doesn't work, move on to the next one in order, and be sure to test after each change so you know exactly what solved it. If this video helped you, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. It really helps support the content and lets me make more quick tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.